How to set up international shipping on Shopify. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to sign in to your Shopify account on the Shopify website. Once you're signed in to your account, you'll need to head over to the settings section by clicking on the settings icon that you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and head over to shipping and delivery, and this will allow you to customize your shipping and delivery for your Shopify store. Now go ahead and click on this general under general shipping rates, and this will allow you to view your current shipping rates and shipping zones. Now go ahead and click on add shipping zone. As you can see in here, I can't add a new shipping zone since I haven't created or specified my market. So scroll down, and at the bottom of this page, you'll be able to find the start shipping to more places. So click on go to markets to be able to specify your markets. Then here, go ahead and click on the add market button, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen, and this will pop up on your page. Now in here, you'll need to name your market and hit on the checkbox for the market that you want to add for your Shopify store. After that, click on add market button, and this region will be added for your market. Now after you set this up in this section, you'll need to head back to shipping and delivery to activate this market for your Shopify store. And here, go ahead and click on the add shipping zone to be able to create a shipping zone to this additional market that you've created. So in here, you'll need to name this zone. After that, you need to check on the checkbox beside this zone to be able to add this area for the shipping zone. After that, you'll need to add a rate for this shipping zone by clicking on the add rate button, which you'll find below this shipping zone. You'll need to enter the rate type, the shipping rate, the custom rate name, the custom delivery description, along with the price. And naming the custom rate is essential. So go ahead and click on the done button, and that's how you can simply set up international shipping on Shopify.